SAP Architecture Curriculum is an 11-month training program meant for senior developers and junior architects. The program contains 13 days of training and activities. Some of them are professional training and training around the communication of architecture and architecture knowledge. And some of them are around the soft skills that every architect should have. Today we are meeting for the opening event of the program. We're building together Rube Goldberg machines, and although it's not directly related to developing software architecture, we're learning how to work in teams, we're learning to think outside the box and be creative, and also to get some of the important soft skills that we need to be better architects.
My expectations will be two things. One will be networking, to get to know various other architects in the organizations. And the second thing will be formal methods for architectures.
I'm very thankful for SAP for giving me the chance to participate in this course. It's very demanding, but we're going to gain a lot out of it.